Hi, my name is Bali and a big welcome to my website. I am so excited for you to be here with me today. My mission is to empower you to get fit, feel great, feel confident through my amazing, mind-blowing programs. My programs are based on 3 basic principles that will help you to stay fit from the comfort of your home. Number 1, eating healthy foods. I believe in having a balanced diet. You don't need to starve yourself or binge on unhealthy foods. That is why I provide you with wholesome, nutritious, delicious, and soulful options. These recipes are meant to uplift your spirit and nourish your soul. Number 2, simple, effective exercises. Now, I believe in moving your body every single day. Now, you don't have to spend hours on doing long and painful exercises. My quick, easy, simple workouts will make you feel great, powerful, and on top of the world. Number 3, powerful mindset coaching. Now, I believe that having the right mindset is the greatest factor to ensure your success. We use the healing power of words, positive affirmations, meditation, community for you to create a winning mindset and for you to stay fit forever. And also join me on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube, where I do a lot of videos motivating you to stay fit.